Welcome to my video on the 5 best camping gear essentials and gadgets you can buy this year. Are you an avid outdoorsman looking for the latest, greatest camping gear? Or maybe you're new to camping and need to stock up on the essentials? Either way, I have the perfect video for you. I'm going to cover the 5 best camping gear essentials and gadgets that you should buy this year. From the must-have camping items to the newest, most innovative camping gadgets, I'm going to tell you what you should have in your camping arsenal. So if you're ready to tackle the outdoors, let's get started. Number 5. Vibis Bite Healer. The Vibis Bite Healer offers a revolutionary solution to fast and safe relief from the itching and discomfort caused by mosquito bites. With its combination of a stable temperature and blue light LED, the Vibis Bite Healer quickly and effectively breaks down histamines and toxins, providing itch relief in as little as 10 to 15 seconds. The device is also incredibly lightweight and compact, making it a great travel companion that you can easily store in a pocket, car, or backpack. Moreover, the Vibis Bite Healer is constructed with a durable aluminum alloy casing and is equipped with a certified lithium battery, ensuring a long-lasting battery life of over 400 uses on a single charge. If you're looking for a fast and safe way to relieve the itching and discomfort caused by mosquito bites, the Vibis Bite Healer is an excellent choice. Number 4. Bexz Small Damascus Blade Edge Knife. The Bexz Small Damascus Blade Edge Knife is the perfect pocket knife for anyone looking for a reliable and compact tool. The Damascus blade is strong enough to cut through almost any material, from cardboard to leather. The classic handle materials like rosewood and bone, as well as the modern materials like Arctic Storm, White Storm, and Damascus fat carbon fiber provide a comfortable and secure grip. With a small 6.5 centimeters blade and 8.6 centimeters handle, this pocket knife is perfect for everyday carry. Whether you're cutting through paper, plastic, or wood, the Bexz knife is up for the job. Its versatility and reliability make it a great addition to any EDC, car, or backpack. For anyone looking for a compact and sturdy pocket knife, the Bexz Small Damascus Blade Edge Knife is the perfect choice. Number 3. Shelter by Cinch. The Shelter by Cinch is a revolutionary camping tarp that takes the best features of pro tarp setups and combines them into one easy-to-use package. Its waterproof canvas is designed to provide maximum shade and sun protection, while keeping airflow throughout. It's lightweight, durable, and ready to take on anything nature throws at it. In the Shelter's YouTube video, you can see how quickly and easily it can be set up and taken down, meaning you have more time to enjoy your adventures. Plus, it's small enough to fit in the boot at a moment's notice, making it perfect for camping trips, glamping trips, beach outings, backyard parties, and more. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality tarp, the Shelter by Cinch is a great choice. Number 2. Hive Hammock Stand. The Hive Hammock Stand is a revolutionary invention that's perfect for campers who don't want to be limited to finding the perfect tree or sleeping alone. It's easy to set up and requires no staking, making it ideal for those who want to get away from it all. The telescoping aluminum poles and adjustable tension lines make it a breeze to get up and running, while the user-friendly push buttons make it a cinch in colder weather. You can even close yourself in for more shelter if desired, and it's perfect for setting up indoors for movie nights or gaming with the kids. Finally, the stand is said to help decrease back pain and allergies caused by mattresses, making it a great option for those looking for a better night's sleep. Number 1. Ursa Sleep System. The Ursa Sleep System is a game-changer for camping comfort. The self-inflating base pad features 4 inches of self-inflating foam and provides insulation and cushioning for a restful night's sleep. The reversible one-way valve also allows you to fine-tune the firmness to your liking for personalized support. Plus, the durable ripstop bottom material is puncture-resistant, and the soft-touch top fabric is designed for next-to-skin comfort. To make it even better, the 2-inch memory foam topper adds maximum comfort to the supportive base pad, making it just as soft and cozy as your bed at home. With the Ursa Sleep System, you can finally enjoy a restful night of sleep and all the wonder of camping.